Ever wondered why personalized gifts always hold a special place in our hearts? It's because they carry a piece of us within them. These gifts speak volumes about our time, effort, and the thought we've put into crafting something unique, something that captures the essence of the recipient like nothing else can. They're not just objects, but expressions of our feelings, our memories, our connections. Creating your own personalized gift may be simpler than you think. Let's explore how. Today we delve into the world of paper crafts, specifically crafting a personalized paper gift box. This delightful craft transforms simple materials into an expressive, customized gift box. The materials required are straightforward: colored paper or cardstock, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and some glue. You may choose your paper color and texture to match the occasion or the recipient's taste. Remember, it's the personal touch that makes these boxes truly special. Now that we know what we need, we'll jump right into the process. Step 1. Take a piece of colored paper or cardstock. It's essential to choose a sturdy and vibrant paper because this will be the canvas for your work of art, your personalized gift box. Now, we'll jump into the first part of the crafting process. This involves measuring and drawing the layout of the box on your selected paper. Let's start by measuring the paper. If you want a square box, keep the sides equal. For a rectangular box, vary the length and the width. Use a ruler to ensure precision and a pencil to mark the measurements. Remember, these measurements will define the size of your gift box, so choose wisely. The next step is drawing the layout. This is where you'll sketch the shape of your box. Draw a square or rectangle for the base, then draw squares or rectangles for the sides, depending on the shape of your box. Don't forget to include tabs for gluing the box together. These tabs should be on one side of each wall. Once you have your layout, it's time to cut it out. Use a pair of sharp scissors and follow the lines you've drawn. Be careful not to cut the tabs off. Now comes the exciting part, folding the paper into the shape of a box. Fold along the lines connecting the base to the sides and along the lines of the tabs. Be sure to make your folds as crisp as possible. Once you've folded the paper, you will start to see the form of your gift box taking shape. We're halfway there. Now it's time to secure the shape. Having folded the paper into a box shape, it's time to add some durability to our craft. Grab your glue and apply a thin, even layer to the corners of the box. Make sure to cover both the inside and outside edges, as this will ensure a solid structure. Remember, less is more when it comes to glue. A small amount can go a long way and prevent seepage or warping of the paper. Once the glue is applied, press the corners together firmly. Hold in place for a few moments to allow the glue to set before moving on to the next corner. Repeat this process until all corners are secure. Now, while our box is solidifying, let's talk about personalization. This is where your creativity truly shines. Consider using colored markers, stickers, or even glitter to embellish your box. You might even think about adding a personal message or the recipient's name for that extra special touch. Whether you decide on a minimalist style or something more elaborate, the beauty of this project is that each box will be unique, a true reflection of your personal style. And there you have it, your very own personalized paper gift box. This charming creation, born from your creativity and effort, is ready to bring joy to someone special. Don't forget, the art of gifting is not just about what's inside the box, but the thought and love that goes into every fold and decoration. Let's quickly recap the steps we took in creating this delightful, personalized gift. We began by selecting our paper of choice, measuring it carefully to ensure our box would be the perfect size. Once we had our measurements, we moved on to skillfully cutting the paper, creating crisp, clean lines to form the basis of our box. Next, we tackled the folding process, a crucial step in bringing our box to life. With precision and patience, we transformed our flat piece of paper into a three-dimensional object. Following this, we secured our folds with some glue, ensuring our box would hold its shape. Lastly, we had the option to decorate our box, a step that truly brings out the personal touch in our gift. We used stickers, ribbons, or even hand-drawn art to make our box unique. Now you're all set to add your personal touch to your gifts. Happy crafting!